Hi, this is Alan from MeasureSquare. If you're a user of the MeasureSquare 8 or MeasureSquare mobile solutions and also use Xero for your accounting, you can use our integration to automatically sync your estimation data to Xero, helping you minimize mistakes, avoid double data entry, and save you lots of time. When your projects are synced to the MeasureSquare CRM, you can easily transfer your quotes, invoices, and purchase orders to Xero. I'll go over all of the ways in which Xero works with MeasureSquare CRM, starting with connecting your Xero account, and then followed by syncing your estimation data to the appropriate documents in Xero. First, you'll set up the integration in the CRM by going to Settings, by clicking on the gear icon. Then navigate to Integrations, and locate the Xero integration. This button will either say Install or Manage. I'll go ahead and click on Install, and I'll be taken to the Xero login page. I'll go and type in my username and password. And then select the appropriate company and click on Allow Access. Once the integration succeeds, we'll be taken back to the CRM, and we'll just go back to our sales. Then I'll go ahead and go to the appropriate project, such as 1023 Green Street. Then go ahead and open the quote section here by clicking on Quotes and select the one that I want to sync. I can review this quote if I need to, but I'm just going to go ahead and sync this quote by clicking on the three dots at upper right and click on Sync to Xero. Click OK to confirm, and it'll take just a second to sync all of the information from your quote to Xero, and you'll get a notification saying success. Now we'll go to Xero to check on the quote that was created. So I'll go ahead and highlight this quote number, and go to Xero and search for it. And here it is. So we'll go inside that quote. And as you can see, all of the information matches what was in our quote. And as you can see all of the line items with their quantities and pricing show up, along with the terms and conditions and the total. Back in CRM, let's go ahead and sync our invoice to Xero. I'll open the Invoices section here at the right, select one, and review this invoice if I need to. Then click on the three dots at upper right and select Sync to Xero. Click OK to confirm, and now it's done syncing. In Xero, I can just check on the invoice I synced over, open it, and see all of the line items along with the quantities, pricing, and amount. Finally, let's see about syncing our purchase order to Xero. I'll open the purchase order section here at the right and select this one. And go over all the line items and make sure that's all fine. Then go ahead and click on the three dots at the upper right and click on Sync to Xero. Click OK to confirm. And once it's synced over, we'll go ahead and go to Xero and look for our purchase order. I'll go ahead and open it and just look over to see the line items and my quantities and pricing. And you can see that our delivery address has also come over. This concludes our tutorial of the MeasureSquare CRM integration with Xero. As you can see, this integration has the power to streamline your sales process by eliminating double data entry and typing errors and allowing for an easy transition between the two platforms. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, Please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.